Hello everyone and a good day. Today I'm going to show you how to enable remote desktop on your Windows 10 computer. It's a very easy process, and the first thing maybe you can do is to right click on this PC icon or my computer icon on my desktop. So top left is the icon here, so you right click on it, go to properties. It opens the properties window with the basic information about your computer. So you go to change settings on the right, change settings, you click on it. On this system properties window, there is a last tab written remote. Remote. You click on remote, then down here there is remote desktop. By default, it's don't allow remote connections to this computer. So for you to allow remote connections to this computer, you must select the second option, which is allow remote connections to this computer. You can uncheck this option here and leave it blank so that you're left with only this option selected. So you click apply, then OK, and that's all. Your computer is now enabled for remote desktop, and you can easily access it remotely if it's on a network. Thank you for watching.